The whole point is for you to be independently minded, have a goal, a purpose, a principle oriented approach to trading. So that way you know what you're doing, when you're going to do it, why you're going to do it, or why you're not going to do it. But a terrible thing occurs in the beginning, is where you waste a lot of time. And that time wasting can be based on following failed logic from failed mentors that don't have the evidence to show what they can anticipate in price action presenting itself in real time in all different time frames, which is why I do a lot of the teaching methodologies that I do. I use a lot of lower time frame charts, so that way there's a lot of examples. There's lots of examples, and it also teaches you to go in and not waste your time burning candlesticks needlessly. Because think about how much time from the very first day you started contemplating being a trader. You would look at these candlesticks on the chart and try to figure out what it means to you.
Yo, quick trade recap. Pretty much what I saw here for this trade. This trade ended up making me around 8K. Made about 1K on Top Step. I only took a 1-1 on Top Step because I needed just a 1-1 to secure a pretty big payout on Top Step. And it's actually my second Top Step payout this month. So I wanted to secure that. Took my 1-1, didn't want to get greedy or anything like that. And yeah, basically made 3 bands across these 3 alpha future accounts. As you can see right here, these are all funded right here. So 1,000 times 3. And then if we pull up the Top Step right here, let's pull it up. There we go. Got the 5 Top Steps. So 200 times 5, do the math, band there. So Top Step and alpha futures, add that up, that's 4K. Let's take a look at Tradeify. Let me log into my account 1 second. 4K here. This is Tradeify. This is combined, this is 4 150K fundeds with Tradeify right here. So add that up, 4K. So yeah, absolutely banger trade. Let's break it down, and I'll go over pretty much what I saw. Also, today's the 22nd. Wait, 22nd? Why does it say 22nd? Oh, because it's Asia. Yeah, because it's Asia. Counts for the next day. Oh, yeah. It's Asia, so it counts as the next day, so 22nd. But yeah, let's do a little trade breakdown. Pretty much what I saw here in order to smack this banger. Pretty much coming into the session, 6 p.m. right here. This is the 4-hour power 3 right here. 6 p.m. open. Let's see how we opened up. We did do like a little fake move to the upside, but we really didn't manipulate into anything above here. We didn't manipulate into any key levels or anything. No unfilled gaps really, other than a unfilled 5-minute right here, which ended up holding. And pretty much if we hop on the 1 minute, we manipulated lower at 6 p.m. open. So I was using the 4-hour power 3. We were manipulating lower. If we pull up the power 3 right here, saw us manipulate into this SMT. And after that, I basically was looking for a quick long. I just needed a quick 1 to 2. That's all I need when I'm copy trading all my accounts. I don't need anything more than a 1 to 2. And if I did, I would just be getting greedy, because a 1 to 2 across 12 accounts is still a lot of monies. Oh, also forgot to show the take profit trader account as well. This is the pro right here. I'm copy trading this. This is the what's it called? This is the take profit funded account. And I'm copy trading this right now with a bunch of take profit evals that I'm working on passing. But yeah, 500 on that as well. So overall 8.5K trade around, I think. But yeah, this account, I'm building my buffer on it right now. So, oh, they also have daily payouts. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. I'm gonna be smacking trades and requesting a payout the same day. That's gonna be sick. I'm gonna maybe do a series on that or something. I just gotta build my buffer up a little bit so I can do that. But yeah, pretty much what I saw here was this SMT. inverse order block right here was my entry. Right here, you can see I kind of scaled into my position because then I realized, oh, and you can see here, this is paper, yes. On TradingView, I use the paper because I execute all my accounts on the side, in a side window. In TradeVacate or TopStepX or AlphaTix platform, I don't execute actually on TradingView. I don't like doing it on here. I like executing on a side window. But yeah, basically here had a stop loss at this SMT low. This low was protected because it was a SMT, so if price was to come back down here, my trade idea would be invalidated, and that means that my drawn liquidity would most likely be lower. And yeah, let's see, did ES take out this high? Let's see if the 1 and 2 saved us from potentially getting hit break even. Yeah, ES didn't even take out this high. So this is also an example of where oh, my bad, I didn't know that was biggest. My bad. Yeah, so also this is a perfect example of the 1 to 2 risk to reward saving you from having to hold all this drawdown, possibly getting hit break even, because it edged the buy side. So 1 to 2 risk to reward, it's just not getting greedy, not getting overconfident in your bias, and just taking what you can, taking a piece of the pie. And when you can do that across a ton of accounts, you're gonna see really good results. But yeah, you can see ES didn't even take this high, NQ didn't even, and now we're just chopping up here. So yeah, would not want to be in this right now. Good thing I secured my 1 and 2, followed my trading plan. And yeah, I mean, pretty simple setup. Higher time frame. I wasn't even too bullish, honestly. Higher time frame, but I did see this opportunity to take a quick trade in Asia. And pretty much I did actually, yeah, I do kind of have a bias. I was kind of mixed bias coming into the session. If we look at the higher time frame, I am more bearish higher time frame. We've just been dumping all day, but I did want to see a retrace up towards this unfilled hourly above. So short term I was kind of bullish, so that's why I kind of took that opportunity for the long. But on the 15-minute, you can see we're still respecting bearish. I think we could keep dumping, but short term I did like this setup for the long. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. You guys saw me execute it live right there as well, in the clip before this. And if you have any questions, comment below. But yeah, overall this month has been really good for me, and yeah, all glory to God, of course. These are all his wins, not mine. But yeah, if you guys are not funded yet also, and you're trying to get funded, if you're struggling, I guarantee to work with you one-on-one until you get funded, 6 figures in capital, and receive your first payouts. If you want to work with me one-on-one, just send me a DM in Discord or a DM on Instagram at krabstrades. And yeah, also watch out on Discord, because there's a lot of fakes on there trying to scam you. I will never DM you first. I won't ask you for crypto. I won't do any weird stuff like that. So just watch out. And yeah, I mean, if you're not in the free community, why you not in there? You should be in there. It's 100% free. There's some of the best traders in here. Oh, I didn't even send it to them yet. Yeah, they don't even know I hit TP. But yeah, this wasn't an A+ setup, so that's why I didn't call it out. I do call out all the A+ setups in here all the time. If there's something A+, I at everyone in exclusive, and we all take the same trade. If we look at this trade right here, I actually called out a A+ setup. Called out this one. Yeah, alerted. Whenever I say it's alerted, that means I called it out. Called out this A+ setup here. I know some people banked on this with me. This was like 2 days ago, I think. This was also Asia, yeah. And yeah, there's some trade recaps in here. But overall, a great month. And yeah, if you guys aren't in free Discord, join up. Link in the description. Also, if you want to trade live with me every single AM session, I'm live from 10 to 11 a.m. Link in the description for that as well, I think. or actually it might not be in there, but if you want to join that, right here, go to upgrade. You can trade live with me, get all your questions answered. You can see right here some of our exclusive member results. Yeah, daily live trading, chartings every day. I've been doing them every single day at 4 p.m. Eastern right now is my schedule for it, since I'm not traveling or anything like that. Also, live psychology sessions, we're about to be running these up, back testing on the weekends, doing all that good stuff, really making sure that everyone can lock in on ABS and secure some nice payouts. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And until next time, I'm gonna catch you guys. Trade safe, trade disciplined, trade patient, and until next time, peace out.